Hi students, today's topic about the transformation only. We have to describe fully the single transformation that maps the shape which is given, that is highlighted, that is A to B, C. We have to write which type of transformation is this. So the first question is given, describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. This is the object and this is the image. So which type of transformation is this? By looking at the shape, you know this is the reflection only, because the same shape in the opposite opposite side, you have to find out the mirror line. So for reflection you need the mirror line and the name of the transformation, that is reflection. So 2 points, 2 marks you will get it. So for counting the object to the image, we can see the distance and find out the center of the distance and find out the mirror line, or by the tracing paper also we can do. So by the distance we can see from the object, from distance is 1 to 6, it means 6 centimeter, the middle is 3. So this will be the mirror line. So this is x is equal to 3. So this is so the answer will be reflection. X is equal to 3 is the mirror line. Or by the tracing paper we can draw the shape. We can check the answer is correct or no. Draw the shape and see the mirror, half of the part, that is x is equal to 3. Face it means turn, and see means we have to draw the same shape over here also, and see you will get the same shape on the other side, reflection. So here we can write a reflection. Mirror line, x is equal to 3. The next question, the shape A, the highlighted object, that is onto shape C. Here the shape C. So which type of transformation is this? So this is a reflection. This is not by reflection. You are not getting this because this is turned, means the opposite side. So it can be a rotation. So rotation, in the previous video I explained how to see the rotation. We can see by drawing. I told you the north side you have to draw an arrow mark, and different center we can try with that, or we have to draw the corresponding points. You have to draw straight line, and any 2 lines passing through the same center we can find out easily. So now I'm passing through with the 0 0 clockwise. Let's see, we are getting this is 90 degree, 180 degrees. So you are getting the same shape at center, 0 0, that is a rotation. So it is we can write shape C, shape A onto C, that is rotation. The direction is 180 degree and center 0 0. Center 0 0 we can draw by the scale also. Any corresponding points if you draw, you can see the line passing through the same center. Corresponding points you have to join. It means this point corresponding to the here. So draw the line, and this point corresponding to here. So you have so point passing through the middle. It means we can draw the perpendicular bisector, means this is half only. So easily you can find out this is 0 by 0, because both the line passing through the same center. This is a way also we can find out the center of rotation. Next one, enlarge shape A by the scale factor 2 from the center 4 0. You have to draw the enlarged shape of the object A by scale factor 2 from the center 4 0. 4 0 is the center is this. We have to draw a large shape by scale factor 2. It means double of our shape you have to draw. So for that you have to draw from the center the straight line. You have to pass through each corresponding point. 4 0, center 4 0. This is from the center. Each corresponding point you have to draw. So this is 4 centimeter, 1 2 3. So image will be 6 2 3. This corresponding point will be corresponding to this, and next one 4 will be go to 8, passing through the minus 4 by 0, not by here it will be and this one on the same side only. So one from this is 1 2 3 only, so 4 5 6 will be, and this is 4, so it will be 8 corresponding points. So you can join and see it is enlarged shape by scale factor 2. So this is shape A by the scale factor 2, center 40. So this is the enlarged shape, this is the object, and this is the image. See the shape, you can see this is 1 2 3, so this 1 2 3 4 5 6 double, it's scale factor 2. Each one you can see it's the same way. So the center you have to see, from there you have to count and draw, or without this one also we can do this. So this is the type of questions you have to practice it more. Thank you.